In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp into your Wix website with ease. Whether you're a business looking to improve customer engagement or someone just eager to stay connected, integrating WhatsApp into your website is a fantastic way to provide real-time communication for your visitors. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you are logged into your Wix account and navigate to the Wix website editor. This central hub allows you to design and manage your website with great flexibility. Once you're here, look towards the left side of your screen for the Add Apps option. Clicking this will open a world of possibilities for enhancing your site with additional functionalities. Now, in the search bar that appears, type in WhatsApp. This will filter the available apps and bring the WhatsApp chat plugin to the forefront. Adding a WhatsApp chat widget can encourage more direct and meaningful interactions with your clients or site visitors, and selecting this option will set the stage for such engagements. Click on the WhatsApp Chat option. This step highlights the app's description and features, making it an informative insight into how it can help visitors bridge the communication gap directly from your website. Next, click on Add to Site. This button will prompt the integration process, seamlessly enhancing your site's communication capabilities. Following this, you'll be prompted with an Agree and Add button. By clicking this, you're consenting to the app's terms and guidelines, allowing you to proceed with confidence, knowing you're within the terms of service. Once the app is added, it's time to select a template to get. Clicking on Choose a Template presents you with various layouts for your WhatsApp chat box, each customizable to match the look and feel of your brand. Select any template that suits your style the most. Moving on, click on Customize. This is where you can tweak the finer details such as the greeting message or the chat button's color, ensuring they align with your website's aesthetic and tone. By making these adjustments, you are personalizing the user's chatting experience to be both functional and visually appealing. Next, access the Appearance settings. Diving into this option allows for more refined customizations such as size, shape, and position of the chat widget on your website. Adjust these settings to ensure the widget is visible yet unobtrusive, maintaining the balance between functionality and design. Before finalizing, click on Next to review the configuration summary. This overview ensures all settings are in place and allows for any last-minute changes. After you've confirmed everything is set as per your liking, click Next once again. Finally, hit the Publish and Preview button, which not only applies your changes but also lets you see them in action. Previewing this ensures that the integration operates smoothly and is visually cohesive with the rest of your site. And that's it. You've successfully integrated WhatsApp into your Wix website, creating a direct line of communication with your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy connecting.